Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching me today. My name is Jason and this is Business Time. Today we're talking about what is a project manager. A project manager is a professional in the field of project management. And project management is the responsibility of a project manager. A project manager develops the project plans, manages the project stakeholders, and the project team. They also focus on project risk, project schedule, project budget, deals with any conflicts, and project delivery. Project managers have the responsibility of the planning, procurement, and execution of a project in any domain of engineering. Aside from the sales team that does the initial draft concepts for selling the project managers are the first point of contact for any issues or discrepancies that arise from within various departments in the organization before they are escalated to higher authorities or management. A project manager is a client representative and has to determine and implement the exact needs of the client based on knowledge of the organization they are representing. Project managers are the people in charge of a specific project or projects within a company. As a project manager, your job is to plan, budget, oversee, and document all aspects of the specific project you are working on. Project managers may work closely with upper management to make sure that the scope and direction of each project is on schedule, as well as other departments for support. Project managers might work by themselves or be in charge of a team to get the job done. Project managers participate directly in the activities that produce the end result, but rather strive to maintain the progress, mutual interaction, and task of various parties in such a way that reduces the risk of overall failure while maximizing benefits and minimizing costs. Now, what I mean by that, the project manager deals with all the issues between handover from one group of resources to the next group of resources, and sometimes plays the actual role of the resource. They also track down issues that are found and resolves them with different groups within the execution plan to overcome the issues itself, and prevents over budget and unplanned creep scope. It is highly important that the project manager has the abilities to adapt to the various internal procedures of the client and to form close links with the nominated representatives. It is essential to ensure that the key issues of cost, time, quality, and above are satisfied with the customer and company. There are a few key things that make project managers a good team leader. One being, they understand best practice. In most cases, it takes years of experience to understand how a process from start to end is actually performed in project management. And performed properly, project managers need to adapt to multiple roles that brings them from leading, controlling, or just monitoring process. It is important that the project manager or project managers are guided through the process a few times to gain lessons learned from other projects. This will help them support their own projects within project management. As a project manager, you will need to have leadership skills to keep employees motivated, resolve conflicts, and make hard decisions for your own resources, suppliers, and other employees. It's important, another important thing for project managers is not to have power issues. Trying to run the project by yourself instead of being a team player with confidence is it's not as good, and the strategy of not working with your team just destroys your entire project. I know from experience that I am a people person. I want the team as a whole to win, and I get to see the benefits from them. I see a lot of the time with project managers that they are into showing off to management and blaming everyone else for their problems, just to impress their boss with management skills. But in reality, it does not help when you crash the car driving from being in the back seat. It's just not worth it. Being a part of a team and influencing everyone to want to work harder and engage yourself and being a part of the team helps you manage the project way easier. I mean, in the end, your team will be the one that spreads your quality and capabilities far more than you can do it yourself. Speaking about support, this also helps reduce risk and issues overlooked within a project if you're working with a team. And I get to say that to impact choices and it also immediates long-term decisions, which will help you later on. Lastly, estimating the time, managing your team, and budgeting is important to finish a project on time and under budget. If you mess up in any of these areas, you're mismanaging your project. Essentially, the project manager is accountable for the success or failure of a project. Typical responsibilities of a project manager includes planning, execution, and closing projects. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope if you're not, please subscribe. I will be posting a lot more project management videos, and as of right now I talk mainly about investing, but I want to get into engineering and other areas that I really enjoy. I also play a lot of video games, and you're welcome to message me. I would love to play with you or talk to you about project management or investing. Thank you again, and have a great day.